Hey, it's Ross Hamilton, CEO of Connecting Investors, and I'm going for a little run with my beautiful daughter here. And every day when we go for a run, we see this house. You ever seen a house like that? Just a vacant house, a bit of an eyesore. It's just abandoned, or maybe it's in foreclosure. You have really no idea what's going on with it. But you know if you can contact the owners, you can turn a profit on the deal. Well, I walk by this house every day and I always tell myself, okay, Ross, do all the work that it takes to figure everything out. But I haven't in 6 months. So we actually developed a push-button solution that will show you the status of that property and give you the owner's contact information, their phone number, their email address, even their Facebook profile. Let me go ahead and get cleaned up and I'll show it to you. Cleaned up after that nice jog, and I'm here at Connected Investors. The team is all here working hard for you. And what I'm going to show you is how to find the best deals in absolutely any market. Vacant houses just like the ones I showed you, you can find simply by pressing a button. Let me go ahead and zoom in on my screen here. I'm going to give you a quick demo. Okay, so here we are inside the platform, and I just want to show you that house that I pointed out in the beginning. You can key the address in and get all the information on it, how much equity is in it, the county, you can hit the street view, city, state, if it's listed or not listed, name, phone number, cell, and email of the owner. I had to fade these out just for privacy purposes right now, but once you're in here you can see all that, and you can also see their Facebook profile and LinkedIn if they have one, their debt, their value, the type. You can view the comps, you can see the status. Vacant. Now I have this sorted as all courthouse deals because those are some of the deals I'm working on right now, but you can sort this by all sorts of statuses. If it's vacant or not, you can sort by just the vacant properties. When it's built, the land, the purchase date, the purchase price, and the homeowner's mailing address. So if they're an out-of-town owner, like this one happens to be, you can directly mail them. All of this information is now going to be available to you at your fingertips. During the webinar, I'm going to show you exactly how to use this. I'm going to show you secret searches and sorts that find you the best deals. And I'm going to put together all the pieces of the real estate puzzle so you can use this very powerful tool to find all of the vacant properties, the pre-foreclosures, the bank-owned properties, and the courthouse auction steps. Nothing like this exists. I can't wait to show you the demo. Now on the call, the first 15-20 minutes is a full demo of this, and you're going to be able to see your area. The first 15 minutes is a demo to where you get to actually use this and search your area. And then the last about 45 minutes is I train you on how to find these people, how to contact these people, what to say to them, how to put it under contract, and how to flip it really fast. There's nothing else like this on the market. I can't wait to show it to you.